Dear students, in this video we will discuss about enzymes, vitamins and nucleic acid. We know this thing, enzymes are the biological catalyst. Enzymes are the biological molecules that significantly speed up the rate of chemical reactions without undergoing any physical or chemical change that take place within cells. They are vital for life and serve a wide range of important functions in the body, such as aiding in digestion and metabolism. Almost all the enzymes are globule proteins. Enzymes are very specific for a particular reaction and for a particular substrate. They are generally named after the compound or class of compounds upon which they work. For example, hydrolysis of maltose by maltase enzyme. This is just maltose C12H22O11. Upon hydrolysis, it gives C6H12O6, two molecules of glucose, and it is done by the enzyme maltase. Here, note down this thing, the ending of the name of an enzyme is generally by the words ASE, ASE. Mechanism of enzyme catalysis or enzyme action. It can be explained on the lock and key arrangement or lock and key model. Then between an enzyme and a substrate. Substrates bind an active site, temporarily forming an enzyme substrate complex. This enzyme substrate complex undergoes internal rearrangements that form the product. The enzyme gets regenerated for the next molecule of the substrate. For example, this is the enzyme and this enzyme contains some active sites. Then it will adsorb substrates on its active sites. This is the enzyme substrate complex, and then reactions will take place, and after the completion of reaction there is separation of the product and the enzyme. This is known as lock and key model. Why it is lock and key? Because we have a specific key for a specific lock. It means that we have specific enzyme for a specific reaction. Then deficiency of enzyme also caused some disease. For example, phenylketonuria caused by deficiency of phenylalanine hydroxylase enzyme. Then vitamins. Vitamins are complex organic molecules which cannot be produced by the body but must be supplied in small amounts in our diet to carry out essential metabolic reactions which are required for the normal growth and the maintenance of the body. It can be A, D, A, K, B complex. Vitamins can be divided in two categories. First of all, water soluble and water insoluble. Water insoluble means ki fat solubles. Water soluble vitamins means soluble in water and must be supplied regularly in diet as they are regularly excreted in urine, except B12. Water soluble vitamins are B and C. B1, B2, B6 and C. Then fat soluble vitamins are those which are insoluble in water but soluble in fat or oil. They are stored in liver and adipose tissues. For example, A, D, E, K vitamins are fat soluble. Deficiency of vitamins cause serious diseases. For example, vitamin A cause night blindness, and sources of vitamin A are fish liver oil, milk, butter, egg, green and yellow vegetables. Vitamin B1 found in yeast, milk, green vegetables, fruits, egg, etc. It causes beriberi disease. Vitamin B2 found in egg, liver, milk, green leafy vegetables, and it causes cracked lips, etc. B6 found in milk, egg yolk, yeast, etc., and it caused nervous disturbance. Vitamin B12 found in meat, fish, kidney, eggs, and it causes anemia. Vitamin C found in citrus fruit and it causes scurvy. Vitamin D found in sunlight, fish, etc., and it causes rickets, that's the bone deformities. Vitamin E found in milk, ghee, vegetable oils, etc., and it causes increased fragility of RBCs and muscular weakness. Vitamin H found in milk, liver, kidney, and it causes loss of hair. Vitamin K found in green leafy vegetable, fish, meat, etc., and it causes increased blood clotting time.